Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix slow Google Chrome download speed. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to press on the three dots on the top right. Then you need to go to settings, go to privacy security, then security, then scroll down until you see select DNS provider here. Select use secure DNS, and then select either Google public DNS or Cloudflare. Look what works for you better. Then go to just browser thing here, and then you just need to write Chrome double dot 2 forward slashes and flags, right? Then on search you just need to write parallel and make sure parallel downloading is enabled. Then what you need to do here is to press three dots, go to settings, go to system, and then make sure continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed is disabled, and then use graphic acceleration when enabled is on. Then press on the three dots again, go to extensions, manage extensions, and make sure to just remove all the extensions that you don't use, because it should help with your download speed. Next thing, if you're using Windows, you can just write data usage overview and then go to data usage, and then here you will see all the apps that uses your internet basically data on the background. So if you don't use some of the apps here, you can just simply delete it and then look if it helped for you or not. And the last thing what I suggest to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and then here on this command you just need to write ipconfig /flush DNS. Now command nesh winsock reset. After that, go to settings, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using internet cable, you're good to go. And always just test your internet speed. If you're getting good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it.